Welcome to the iSpyPen's interactive product tutorial. My name is Brian, and I would like to take a minute to thank you for ordering an iSpyPen Pro. It means the world to us here at iSpyPens that you are willing to give us this amazing opportunity to serve you. It is important for you to know that we are fully invested in you, our customer, and delivering a streamlined and highly enjoyable customer experience. If you ever have any questions or comments, please don't hesitate to contact our team 24 hours per day by phone, email, or live chat. You can email us at support@ispypens.com. For live chat support, please visit our website www.ispypens.com. We hope that the following tutorials make your iSpyPen Pro experience an exceptional one. First things first. This tutorial series is designed to cover everything you need to know about how to use your iSpyPen Pro. We recommend viewing this tutorial once prior to receiving your iSpyPen Pro and again with the product in front of you. To begin, I will provide a brief overview of the features that we carefully integrated into the design of this product. On top of your iSpyPen Pro, you will find the control button. This button enables you to activate the HD camera and microphone on your device. Now, you're probably wondering, where is the HD camera located? The HD camera is discreetly embedded above the clip on your pen. Located directly beneath the clip is the microphone. Rotating the pen 180 degrees, you will find the indicator light, which is very important. We will talk more about the indicator light in a later video. You can uncover the memory tray, USB output, and mode switch by gently twisting the top and bottom of your iSpyPen Pro in opposite directions as shown. After speaking with hundreds of customers around the world, we have determined that the majority of iSpyPen Pro issues can be resolved by ensuring two things: that your iSpyPen Pro is fully charged and that the microSD memory card is correctly installed. Therefore, it is critical to understand how to properly charge the device and install the memory card before diving into anything else. We have designed the iSpyPen Pro with simplicity in mind. Please begin by uncovering the USB output and memory tray as shown in the last video. In order to charge your device, plug the USB output into your computer's USB input as shown. The indicator light will flash yellow until your iSpyPen Pro is fully charged. The flashing yellow light will become solid once charging is complete. This should take approximately 2 hours. To install the memory card, ensure the memory card is face up. Gently place the card on the memory tray and slide it into the pen as shown. We hope you are enjoying this iSpyPen's interactive product tutorial and are becoming comfortable with your iSpyPen Pro. Next, we will discuss the mode switch. The iSpyPen Pro offers two mode options: video mode and audio-only/photo mode. Video mode will record HD video accompanied by audio. Audio-only mode will record audio only. Audio-only mode is beneficial because it conserves battery and offers longer recording time. Photo mode enables you to rapidly capture still photographs using your iSpyPen Pro. In order to select a mode, we suggest using the tip of your iSpyPen Pro to gently move the switch. To place your iSpyPen Pro into video mode, the mode switch should be to the left, on the number 2. If you are looking to take audio-only recording or photos, please slide the mode switch to the right to the number 1. Please ensure the mode switch is clicked into place. The next sections will explain how to take an HD video and an audio-only/photo recording. If you are looking to take a video, first place the pen into mode 2 as previously described. To begin recording HD video, press and hold the control button for 3 seconds until the indicator light flashes blue exactly 3 times. Your iSpyPen Pro is now recording an HD video. It's that simple. Press and release the control button to stop recording. The indicator light will turn yellow, which indicates that the device is now in standby mode. If you would like to start recording again, simply click the control button once. To turn off the device, press and hold the control button until the indicator light flashes blue once before turning off. Here is a troubleshooting tip. If the indicator light flashes blue approximately 10 times, this means that the pen is not charged or your memory card is not properly installed. Also, on a side note, you can expect to get between 35 and 45 minutes of HD video per charge. If you are looking to take an audio-only recording or still photo, first place the device into mode 1 as previously described. Please pay special attention to the following instructions, as customers often get confused at this step. The iSpyPen Pro is programmed to enter audio-only mode before entering photo mode. In other words, you must begin by taking an audio recording before being able to capture a photo. Press and hold the control button for 3 seconds until the indicator light flashes yellow exactly 3 times. Your iSpyPen Pro is now recording audio only. Press and release the control button to stop recording. The indicator light will turn solid yellow, indicating that it is now in standby mode. From here, you can either take another audio recording or take a photo. In order to record audio again, press and hold the control button for 3 seconds until the indicator light flashes yellow exactly 3 times. If you are looking to take a photo, simply click the control button each time you would like to take a picture as shown. Before you use your new iSpyPen Pro, let's make sure that the time-date stamp is updated. Please note that in order to change the time-date stamp, you will need to erase all files currently saved to the device. In addition, you should ensure that your device is fully charged. You can check this by first installing your memory card and then plugging the device directly into your computer. A drive called No Name should appear. If you open this drive, it should be empty. Next, unplug your iSpyPen Pro from your computer. In order to properly update the time-date stamp, we will now need to save one file to the device. It's time to put your skills to the test. Let's take a video as previously outlined. Please pause this tutorial and come back once you have recorded a video. Now that you have taken a video, please plug your iSpyPen Pro back into your computer. Inside the No Name drive, you will find 4 files titled Photo, Record, Time.txt, and Video. Please open the Time.txt file. Enter the current year, month, day, hour, minute, and second as shown. Then click Save. Here's a troubleshooting tip. If you get a warning message about permanent version storage, simply press OK. Congratulations! Your time-date stamp is now up to date. We're almost there. By now you should be an iSpyPen's expert and ready to take advantage of all that your iSpyPen Pro has to offer. If you have been able to properly update the time-date stamp file, this step should be a breeze. This section answers the question, how do I play back files on my iSpyPen Pro? As previously explained, files will be saved to your iSpyPen Pro and are accessible through the drive called No Name. First, plug your iSpyPen Pro into your computer and open the No Name drive. Assuming you have properly recorded something, the files are separated into 3 folders titled Photo, Record, and Video. As you can probably imagine, still photographs are saved to the Photo folder, audio-only recordings are saved to the Record folder, and HD videos are saved to the Video folder. All you have to do is double-click a file to open it. If you receive any error message during playback, we always recommend installing our premium playback application, VLC Media Player. You may download this for free through our help portal at www.iSpyPens.com. In this tutorial series, I have covered a lot of important information regarding the use of your iSpyPen Pro. While it may be overwhelming at first, it always gets easier with time. We hope that this interactive tutorial has been valuable for you. We hope to see you again soon. Thank you.